This video is testing standard 1, create. Create, our goal is engage in creative endeavors by producing original works of art through creative problem solving and experimentation using learned skills. If we break that down, it means that in reverse order, you have to experiment and learn some things. And then you take that learning and experimentation and you use it to make something that is unique. This is different from how most students experience art. They're taught to copy or duplicate what the art teacher does, and in this class we actually need to go much further than that. That duplicating or copying the teacher is kind of some of the preliminary work. It's the usage of that knowledge that is what is assessed here. For the exceeding category, it enhances artwork as a result of complete and nuanced application of previous learning. So if I teach you how to shade and how to use graphite pencil, you then are going to experiment to see what else you can get the graphite pencil and shading to do. And then the artwork is not the practice piece we use to learn these skills. It is a brand new thing that you create because of the learning around shading and the pencil. Notice that if you only duplicated teacher response, that really puts you down here in the progressing or the beginning category, because it says creates artwork with application of previous learning, and so that's more of a duplication. You could duplicate what was shown to you in the video. To help you through this process, we actually provide you access to many different medias to keep you interested. And you'll get this blue sheet of paper that shows you the different studios and then delineates out the different media that we have available and the different levels for each of those studios. You'll notice that all of them have 3 main components. You first create with the video, which you're going to do now. You then are going to create new discoveries, which for this video will be timed. And then finally, you're going to label all of your discoveries and how you actually created them. And then we have different documentation methods, but for the most part, it is a photograph of all of this learning put into a Google slide based on your number. For this test, you are going to be given a small chunk of Model Magic. You are also going to have access to paper, small chunk of paper, and you are going to have access to an entire bin full of supplies. It will have markers, rulers, scissors, and you want to dig down below because you'll find erasers and all sorts of other things that sometimes you don't see from the surface of the bin but are hidden down in the bottom.